Hi, this is Joe Harnick again, and this is Raven Alert for June 9th. I'd like to talk today, the topic of my top subject would be how a Supreme Court decision can be used to attack sanctuary cities. This idea came from the American Thinker in an article, How a Post-Civil War Supreme Court Decision Dismantles Sanctuary Cities. This article here is food for your thought. Consider Justice Miller from the Supreme Court in 1873 on a slaughterhouse decision, was where to locate slaughterhouses within the city of New Orleans, I think, suggests that other states could use the Privileges and Immunities Clause of the 14th Amendment against all sanctuary cities, towns, or states. Basically, what's involved here is that all citizens have privileges and immunities that the states cannot infringe. Accordingly, when cities and states allow and introduce illegal aliens into their sovereign area, these citizens of these states or cities, there are negative consequences for the fundamental privileges of American citizens. Let's take three of them. 1. American citizens have the right to expect federal and state governments to protect the life, liberty, and property from people who are not legally within their country. There's a lot of theft going on, and it's attributed to illegal aliens. 2. American citizens have the right to expect federal and state government to make the best efforts to identify and remove those who are not legally within their country. If they don't belong in here, and this is a private club called America, then get them out. And that's what we have government for. Okay? 3. American citizens have the right to expect the federal and state governments will not tax them to support people who are not legally in their country. Why should I pay more to support their education, to support their medical, support their housing, to support their maintenance? Okay? It makes no sense. They're not American citizens. Why don't we do it for Chinese or Malaysians or Africans? It makes no sense. Okay, Justice Miller, the Supreme Court, provided a few examples from the U.S. Constitution. 1. Come to the seat of government, assert any claim as a privilege. 2, and this is the important one, to demand the care and protection of the federal government over his life, liberty, and property when on the high seas or within the jurisdiction of a foreign government. I, in the state of New Mexico, don't want to pay for all the illegal aliens that Los Angeles lets into their county. And those taxes, for federal taxes, are somehow being funneled from mine over to them. 3, the right to assemble and petition to redress the grievances. We have the right to do this. So based upon example 2, that protection of life, liberty, and pursuit of property, then the author speculates that a citizen of a state that cooperates with the Department of Homeland Security could have standing and sue sanctuary cities on behalf of their citizens. Several federal programs funnel money away from the diligent states and towards sanctuary states. Once quantified, the diligent states could sue the sanctuary states for the return plus penalties. The case would go directly to the Supreme Court because this is their jurisdiction. And with that, we'll hang up until the next time Raven Alert comes in. If you're interested in my commentary, go to my site, Raven Geopol News, GEO Raven, RAVEN, GEOPOL News, NEWS.com, and look at up to 200 articles and 6 books. Okay, with that, I'll sign off until next time.